Here. So today, sorry about that. So today I found something in the store, and it looks delicious. It looks so delicious. Hold up. It looks so delicious. I found the best looking ice cream ever. Oh my god. Sorry about that. I'm just too excited. It is rich and creamy black raspberry ice cream, and it's purple, and it has a house on top. This is where the ice cream came from, and it looks so good. So let's try to open it and let's taste it. So oh, it tastes so good. It tastes like grapes. I wish you guys could smell it. Oh my god. Okay, so I got my spoon right here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells like grapes. Now let's grab my spoon and it smells like grapes. It tastes like vanilla ice cream, but I didn't put it all in my mouth. So let's see. Ugh. I was not expecting that. My dad was not expecting that. No. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting that. It tastes like tomatoes. It tastes like tomatoes, ice, a Kit Kat, and onion. That's what it tastes like. And I do not like onions. And it tastes like jalapeno. It's not spicy, but it smells like jalapeno of the way it tastes. I was not expecting that. And I still could taste it. Ew. Okay, that was me eating black raspberry ice cream. That is not good. When you see it in the store, do not buy it. It is nasty. It is nasty so much it makes me want to throw up. I'm serious. And I still can taste it. And I feel an eyelash in my eye. Oh, it's all my fault. All my fault. I'm gonna start crying. Look away. It's all my fault. What is wrong with me? No talking. That's it. And I'm never trying no more black raspberry ice cream again. Don't trust me.